Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up the Apple Watch 9 for the first time. So to begin, press and hold on the side button or the power button to switch it on. So press and hold for a few seconds. Once you see the logo appear, you can let go of the button and wait for the watch to boot up. Now on the phone, I'm going to unlock my device. Next is a bring iPhone near Apple Watch. So you want to bring the phone close to the watch. If you do not see the Apple Watch appear on the phone, you can try to lock the screen and unlock it again. Now tap on the continue button when you see the Apple Watch pop up. And here's a watch would like to send you notifications. Just tap on the allow button. Here we just tap on the allow button. And then you can choose set up for myself or set up for my family member. I'm going to tap on set up for myself. Next, we're going to use the phone and then scan into the Apple Watch like this. And here it says your Apple Watch is paired, and then tap on set up Apple Watch on the iPhone. From here you can choose if you are left hand side or right hand side, and then tap on continued. Next, we wait for the phone to connect to the Apple Watch. Now this watch is a 41mm with an aluminum case. Once it is connected, you can then change the design of the watch face. And here we'll ask you to allow send notifications, so tap on the allow button. And here you can choose to share or don't share watch analytics data. I'm going to select don't share. And here you can set up your Apple Watch passcode, so you can choose create a passcode, add a long passcode, or don't add passcode. So I'm going to choose create a passcode. Here on my watch, I'll put in 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 again to confirm. And here's to enter a new passcode, 1 2 3 4. It said this code can easily be guessed. I'm going to choose use code anyway because this is a demo. So here I will re-enter the code. Now we'll wait for the process to continue. Okay, on the next screen, you can set up the accessibility settings, such as the zoom feature, reduce transparency, and reduce motion. After that, tap on the continue button. And here it says share settings, Apple Watch share settings with iPhone for location services from iPhone, Siri, and analytics and improvement. Just tap on OK. And here, personalize fitness and health. So you can set up your fitness and health profile, enter in your date of birth, sex, height, and weight. So here I will just choose something random, so you can set your details in here. Sorry, and then we go down for height, and then select the height and scroll down, set weight, and you can also turn on or turn off wheelchair, and then tap on continued. On the next page in here, you can choose to set up activity or not, and then if you want to go ahead, you can tap on set up activity. And here your daily move goal, how much calories per day. So you can set it to lightly, moderately, or highly, and then tap on set move goal and set your daily exercise goal, so 30 minutes per day. Then tap on set exercise, or you can change it. Next, your daily stand goal, and then workout route tracking. So you can turn on enable route tracking or disable route tracking, so tap on that. Next, you can choose how to get notifications about your health, noise, cardio fitness, low heart rate, high heart rate, and then tap on continued. Next, it asks you about your medical conditions. Are you taking these heart medications? So if you are, you can just tap on it, or you can just choose I don't take any of these medications and tap on the continue button. In here, safety, you got emergency SOS, fall detection during workout, and crash detection and backtrack. So tap on continued. And so here, welcome to Apple Watch. Tap on OK. And that's it. So we're done. On the watch, it's a hello. Then tap on the start button. And here it will give you some instruction. Press the digital crown to see your app. So in here we can press on that to see the app. And we'll press on it again to go back to your watch face. Press the side button to open up the control center. So this is the control center here. Press the side button to close the control center. So you press on it to open the control center, and you press on it to close the control center. And so here, turn the digital crown to see your widgets. So we turn that one to view your widgets. And that's it. So when you're on your watch face, you can scroll on the crown button here to view your widgets. Pressing on the side button to open up the control center, close it. And pressing on that will go back to your watch face. So it is now set up. If you want to change the settings on your watch, you can press on the button, the crown, and then tap on settings. In settings, you can change things like notifications, general, go into general, and then change your orientation, auto launch, background app refresh, your return to clock settings, nightstand mode, hand off, and a lot of other settings which you can go through it. Focus, airplane mode, you can control Wi-Fi or connect to Wi-Fi, add in additional Wi-Fi network. You can connect to a Bluetooth device, display, change the display and brightness, app view, accessibility settings, Siri, and so much more. And that's it. So you can also go and control some of the settings on your watch directly from your phone. So if you go into your iPhone and open up your watch app. So from the home screen, we swipe across, go into app library and open up the app watch. In here, you'll be able to change the settings as well. So you can add in additional watch face. You can change the existing watch face. You can change the settings such as notifications, app view, general. So anything that you can do on the watch, you can also do on your phone as well. And when you make changes on your phone, it will apply to your watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.